Welcome back to the MATLAB for Students series. In this episode, we're going hands-on with how to write a MATLAB program. Whether you're just starting or refreshing your knowledge, this walkthrough will help you build structured, efficient scripts that form the foundation of your coding projects. Let's begin by creating a new script. Click on New Script in the Home tab. This opens the editor where you can build a multi-line program that can be saved and run anytime. Start by adding a simple comment using the % symbol. Comments help explain what your code is doing. For example, %, this program calculates the area of a circle. Now, let's define some variables. Variables are how you store and work with data in MATLAB. You might write radius = 5, area = pi. Radius. Let's display the result using the disp function. Disp. The area is num2str, area. The use of functions is central to MATLAB programming. MATLAB has built-in functions like sin, plot, mean, or max. And you can also create your own. Let's define a simple user function. Create a new file and type. Function a equals square number, x, a equals x equals 2, end. Save this as square number.m and call it from your main script using result equals square number stir 4, disp, result. Congratulations, you've just written a MATLAB program using variables, built-in functions, and your own custom function. In our next episode, we'll explore MATLAB's basic plotting functions. You'll learn how to visualize data with line graphs, customize your plots, and make your results presentation ready. Make sure to follow the series so you don't miss it.